based data visualization. In this, we are having our first question like create a node link diagram to represent the hierarchical relationship between nodes and to visualize parent-child connections in the tree structure. This is our first question. In this first, we are going to import some libraries that is pandas that's used to handle data sets and network X that's used to create and analyze graphs networks and matplot library that's used to visualize the graph. And here we gave some parent child. This defines the hierarchical relationship. That is, A is having two childs, that is B and C, and B is having two childs, that is D and E. So it is a hierarchical relationship, and this one data frame. Uh, uh, it will convert to data frame. It will create a table format data set, and here this line from pandas edge list uh, it will convert the data set into a graph structure and the relationship between parent child becomes an edge. And then uh, here we are using split layout. It will automatically arranges nodes and the split layout algorithm is used to avoid overlapping of nodes. And then for drawing the graph here, uh, we are giving with tables is equal to elements. It will show the node names and then here node color. We are giving the color of nodes and node size, size of and font size, text size, and then here we are adding title to the diagram, and then it will show the diagram. And this is the output for our first question. Our second question is generate a tree map to display the proportional distribution of values within the hierarchical data using nested rectangle regions. Tree map which displays the hierarchical data as nested rectangles based on the values. Here we are importing plotly.express as px. It is used for interactive visualization. And here we are loading the data set and data.head. It will display the first values. And then here these categories, subcategory, product sales, these are the data set columns. And based on the path only, we are going to create the hierarchical relationship. And based on the value sales column only, the size of the rectangles will be defined. And this we are adding title to this tree map, and then tree map.show will display the diagram. And this is the output we got for our data set. Our third question, plot a sunquest chart to represent the multi-level hierarchy in a radial layout, highlighting the relationship between different levels of the tree. Sunquest represent the hierarchy levels in a circular format. Here the code is similar to the tree map. Here also we are using the same dataset columns and values, and in center we will have category, and in the middle we will have the subcategory, and in the outer widget we will have the product. And this values based on the values, uh, the size of the circular format will be decided. And the title is added to the and this is the title we are adding to the diagram, and Sunquest show will display the diagram. That's all.